Update on the cacao. These trees were coming on really nicely, and then we took the shade cloth off, which was encircling or covering the tops, and it was kind of restricting the growth a little bit when I had it on the top. And these sticks, the wood we use, kind of perished over first 3 months, I guess. So they started falling over in the wind and things like that. And I thought maybe the trees were mature enough now to withstand some of the sun, or the full sun. But I was wrong. And I thought maybe the trees were mature enough now to withstand some of the sun, or the full sun. But I was wrong. The trees quickly started stressing out, and then the bugs have come in, and you see these have just been eaten up. So I can't find what kind of bugs actually eating these things, but it must be some sort of caterpillar or something, I guess. I can never find anything on them, but many of them are like this. They kind of go brittle and just literally tearing these leaves apart. So over the last few days, we've added some shade cloth back, just in strategic points where they get the sun for most of the day. Some of them are actually not too bad at all, but they get a lot more shade from the neighbouring fruit trees. So these aren't too bad, and got plenty of growth coming still. So some are worse than others, obviously. And but what I've done is covered them with shade cloth. So this one's a really bad one. So shade cloth all around, and then I've added some fertilizer, natural fertilizer, and I put some coconut coir just as a kind of mulch, because of the heavy rains and that's just been killing it here. So hopefully with the mulch and the feed and a little bit more shade again, they won't be so stressed out, and they will show signs of recovery. In fact, we only did this like a week ago, and they do seem to be looking better and get some new growth on, but you just look at these, terrible. But then in other parts of the property, where they get a lot more water naturally, because it's on a hill here where I am now, on the side of a hill, runs towards the pond down there. These are kind of suffering a lot more, but on the far side of the pond, they're virtually sat in water at the moment, to tell you the truth, and they're beautiful and green, and so I was quite surprised. I didn't think they would like the water too much. I thought they'd get some kind of root rot and die off, but hasn't been the case. There's a nice growth on this one, making a really nice recovery. This gets plenty of shade from this mangosteen tree, but even so, that never used to have some shade cloth on it at all, this particular tree, but I would put it on anyway, and it seems to be recovering very nicely. So pull that off. So, trials and tribulations of farming and learning how to grow cacao. If anybody know, look at this, it just strips them bare, whatever it is, and I can't see what it is. I wish I knew. If there's anybody out there in YouTube land who's had this problem on their cacao, please get in touch, let me know what it is. because I can't see any aphids or caterpillars or anything on any of them ever. I don't know what it is. It's a mystery. So if anybody has any ideas, do let me know. I'll be very grateful. But that being said, it's the end of the day. The fish have been fed, or they're still feeding, and now it's my turn to eat. So I'm going to head off home. So, if you are a regular to this channel, thanks for your support, and please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I try to upload every single week, but we're doing so many things, it's sometimes a little bit hard. And you can probably hear in the background anyway, we have the builders in to this farmhouse, so I think we're about done in about a month's time, and then we can get down here a bit more and do what we plan to do. But it's pretty hard at the moment with the builders in, but it's looking really good, and it's been a really good building experience, my first really good building experience in Thailand. We got a great team now. That's a whole new story. That's a whole new another story. Sorry. So that being said, hope you're having a great weekend, and we will see you sometime in the near future. Have a good day. Take care.